Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off Siri on iPhone with iOS 26. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Settings, scroll down a little bit until you find an option called Siri. Click on it, and after that, go and click on the second option, Talk to Siri. And here, if you want to turn Siri off, you have just to click off. And as you can see, it will show you here like this pop-up. It will ask you if you want really to turn off Siri, and if you want that, you have just to click on Turn Off Siri, and like that, Siri will be turned off from your iPhone. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see